In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import Jira rules. We'll walk through the process step by step so that you can seamlessly manage your automation rules between different Jira instances or projects. This will be particularly useful if you're switching projects, updating your workflow, or if you're involved in managing multiple Jira environments. Let's get started. To begin with, we'll focus on exporting Jira automation rules. First, navigate to the top right corner of your Jira dashboard and click on Settings. From the drop-down menu, select System. This will take you to a comprehensive system administration settings area. Here, look for the section labeled Automation and click on Global Automation. This is where all your automation rules are centrally located. Now scan through the list to locate the specific automation rule you wish to export. If you have many rules, you might want to use the search bar for quicker navigation. Once you've found the rule you're interested in, hover over it. You'll notice three dots, also known as the ellipsis, appearing next to the rule. Click on these three dots and you'll see a few options pop up. Among these, select Export. This action will download a JSON file to your default download location. This JSON file contains the complete configuration of your selected automation rule. With that, we have successfully exported a rule. Now let's move on to importing the rule into another Jira project. Go back to the top right corner of the screen and again click on the three dots. This time select Import Rules from the options. A new window will prompt you to select the JSON file that you downloaded earlier during the export process. Click on Choose File and locate that file on your system. After selecting the file, you'll be asked to choose the projects where you want your imported rule to be applied. You can select multiple projects or focus on just one, depending on your requirements. Once you've made your selection, hit the Next button to proceed. At this stage, Jira will begin the import process, configuring the rule settings just like they were in the original environment. The process might take a few moments, especially if the rule includes intricate automation workflows. Once the import process has been successfully completed, you'll see a confirmation message. Click on Done to finalize the import session, and that's it. You have now successfully exported and imported Jira automation rules. This straightforward process allows you to efficiently manage your rules, ensuring consistency across different projects or Jira instances. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful guides like this one.